Hello students. So today we are going to start our first chapter of Geography, class 7th, our environment. So let's see what are our learning objectives, means which things we are going to learn in this chapter. We will learn about meaning of environment, types of environment like natural environment, human-made environment, and human environment. So let's understand from the first topic, meaning of the environment. What is environment? Total sum of biotic and abiotic components in our surroundings is known as environment. Biotic components are human beings, animals, birds, and all plants. Abiotic components are water, air, land, light, etc. So, the environment comprises the biotic and abiotic surroundings of an organism or population and includes the factors that have influence on their survival, development, and evaluation. Thus, our environment is made up of the surroundings we live in. These involve the place where we live, the plant and the animal life that exists there, and the people and things that surround us. Our surroundings influence our life just as we influence our surroundings with our activities. The environment may be broadly divided into two categories, namely natural environment and human environment. So let's understand first natural environment. Natural environment comprises atmosphere, hydrosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. Atmosphere. Different layers of the atmosphere are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere and exosphere. Hydrosphere. It consists all the water bodies on the earth. Lithosphere. Outer solid crust of earth is known as lithosphere. And biosphere. Narrow contact zone of atmosphere, hydrosphere and biosphere where life exists. As you can see this picture, atmosphere comprises all gases. Hydrosphere consists all water bodies. Lithosphere consists landforms, different landforms. And biosphere is a narrow zone where atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere exist, and we can say where life can exist. Human environment. Different aspects of human environment are political, social, cultural and economic. Human beings affect and also get affected by environmental changes. Government responded by enacting laws to safeguard environment. This is a picture of component of environment. We can say it is divided into three categories: natural environment, human-made environment and human environment. Natural environment means the environment which we obtain from nature. Human-made environment means the things which are made by human, like buildings, parks, roads, industries, monuments, all the things which are made by human. Human environment. Students, all humans are also part of environment. Like my mother is my environment. My family is my environment. Wherever I will go to purchase anything, the people which surround me, they all are environment for me. So we can say the human environment consists all the human beings which are near us. We can say it can be an individual, it can be our family, it can be our community, and where we are taking education. Yes, like teacher, our friends, our classmates, all are our environment. So this is all about the chapter, students. Today we have learned about environment. We have learned about types of environment. Thank you everyone.